USPS money orders are a secure way to send money, especially for those without bank accounts or preferring tangible methods. To properly fill one out, start by clearly writing the recipient's full legal name or the word cash on the payee line. Avoid nicknames or abbreviations. If the payee is a business, use its exact registered name. Next, fill in the recipient's complete mailing address, including street, city, state, and zip code, in the address section. An incomplete address can cause delays or void the money order. For international destinations, include the country. Use a pen, not a pencil, to ensure the information is permanent. Accuracy is crucial, as money orders are generally irrevocable once issued. When you purchase a USPS money order, you'll receive a receipt containing a serial number and transaction details. This receipt is your proof of purchase and is essential if the money order is lost or stolen. Keep it in a safe place, separate from the money order itself. Note that USPS money orders are not FDIC insured, but are guaranteed by the U.S. government, offering a claims process for disputes. If something goes wrong, the receipt enables USPS to trace and potentially recover the funds. While digital payment methods are rising, USPS money orders remain a stable option, particularly for those who prefer a non-electronic method. Always double-check all information before finalizing your purchase to prevent issues.